Hello! I am so excited to talk about this product today. It's new to me. It was released last year, but I just tried it recently and I've been wearing it non-stop. This is called the HydraMatte. The HydraMatte is a one-step lip product. Unlike lip scents where you need the color, the gloss, and the remover to get it off, HydraMatte is quick. You apply it in one step. And not only is HydraMatte amazing on your lips, it is so versatile. You can use it on your eyes. You can use it as a blush. There are so many ways that you can use this one little product. So I'm going to show you the lip first. This is the HydraMatte in the shade Bella. You don't have to shake it before, just like you do lip scents. You just go on and apply. You can go back and forth, and it smells so good. It smells like funfetti cake mix to me. I don't know if that's just because I'm a baker. It smells amazing. So no need to apply this in 3 layers. The thinner, the better. When you first apply it, you'll have some room to kind of rub your lips together. But then once it sets, it's gonna feel similar to a regular liquid lip in the sense that it's not a gloss. You can't just like glide your lips against each other. It's matte. It sets so fast. It literally takes like a minute. That is Bella. So gorgeous. So now let me show you how you can use this on the rest of your face. So I already have a blush on, but this is a different enough color that let's layer it on top, see how it goes. So I'm just gonna dab like a couple. Take a blush brush and just start to blend it out. And I'm gonna go a little heavy just so you can see this on top of the other color. I don't have one of the brown colors. I think there's one called Chocolate Bar and there's something else deeper, but you could totally use this as bronzer. That is so beautiful. Tip with blush, if you ever get a little strong line, grab your foundation brush. You don't need to add any product, just go over it, soften those lines. Gorgeous. Okay, so now let's go put it in the eyes. Not in the eyes, but on the eyes. You know what I mean. I'm just gonna take it from the wand, grab a little bit there, and let's add it in the crease. Ooh, Bella, you're amazing. See how it's like more purple? Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Jeez, it just smells so good too. How did they do that? And check it out. Stays put. It is super long wearing. It's supposed to be up to 6 to 8 hours. I've had friends that use this and it's lasted them even longer than that. A great tip to increase your hydration before putting this on and for even better wear is start with the lip balm or even our Lip Sense Glossy. Put it on a little while before you start your makeup and then take it off right before you put on this product and your lips will be even fuller, juicier, and ready for the matte lip. Not only do you need one color, you need two. Because look at this. You can layer and create ombre. Like, look at that little pout. You can mix the colors before applying. And even if you just want like a soft kiss of color, you don't want like a full application of this, just dab a little product on your lips and rub it in with your finger. And then it's just like this soft cloud of color. Look how gorgeous those two are together. Oh my gosh, that was chilled pink that I put on top of Bella. Dynamic duo. So beautiful. Ah. This week, I am running a promo for free shipping on anyone that places an order that has 2 HydraMattes in it. So go look at the album in this group. There's lip swatches of all the colors. There's a couple limited edition ones in there as well. See which ones stick out to you, which ones you're curious about. Send me a message and we'll get you hooked up with this amazing, amazing high hype product. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Bye.